Drug giant GSK out with fourth quarter results this morning. The stock, let's see how it's reacting so far. Up about 0.5%. Meg Terrell joins us now with a very special guest. Hi, Meg.
Hi, Mike. Thanks so much. Emma Walmsley, the CEO of GSK, joins us now. Emma, thanks for being with us. You know, it looked like a beat in the fourth quarter, slightly ahead of expectations for the year ahead. Tell us about the drivers for this year for GSK.
Well, thanks, Megan. Yes, it's great to have delivered this landmark year for GSK, a successful demerger and delivery on that commitment to a step change in operating performance. That's double-digit top-line growth, operating profit, or indeed EPS. We now have 10 products with more than £1 billion sales, and Shingrix alone reached a record-breaking year of £3 billion with plenty of room for growth. So we're facing into 2023 with a lot of optimism, not least because of the progress in our pipeline. 2/3 of the business now in vaccines and specialty meds, a very important shift in the profile of a newly focused GSK. Lots of excitement ahead for our new RSV vaccine, continuing pioneering innovation in long-acting HIV, and still building on that leadership in infectious diseases, some excitement for new first-in-class medicines to treat hepatitis B or next-generation antibiotics. So looking at 23 with optimism, more ambitious guidance again, looking into our 26 commitments with a lot of confidence, and looking forward to updating on our progress for growth through the decade and beyond.
I want to ask you about Shingrix, your shingles vaccine, you know, having that beat in the year behind us. How do you think demand looks going forward for that vaccine and other vaccines as we come out of the COVID pandemic? People might have been catching up and getting their shots. Do you expect the high interest in that vaccine and others to continue?
Well, absolutely. I mean, we're still only penetrated at 30% on Shingrix in the US market. 1 in 3 of us get shingles. We also know from data that you're more likely to contract shingles if you've actually had COVID. And of course, we're helped by the new IRA, which removes the copay in adult vaccination. That's really important because we know it's been a barrier for people to get vaccinated to date. And it's important not just for Shingrix, but for our emerging portfolio of adult vaccination, whether that's a new first RSV vaccines that are coming through, or our portfolio in pneumococcal vaccines or next generation mRNA that we'll be looking forward to later in the decade. So, and remember, you know, half of our growth in the last year on Shingrix was outside the US. Lots of room for growth still within the US, but plenty of room internationally too.
Well, let's talk about RSV. You just mentioned it. This, of course, another horrible respiratory virus. It was affecting us over the winter here, along with flu and COVID. You guys are one of the front runners in the RSV vaccine race, but we just saw good data from Moderna. Pfizer has good data. This is shaping up to be a tight race. How do you see it playing out?
Well, first of all, more competition is definitely good for patients. And this is a market that, you know, manufacturers have been working for decades to bring innovation in. We were first out with data, but there are 1 billion over 60s in the world. And in the US alone, you've got 180,000 hospitalizations every single year, and tragically 15,000 deaths. There's a lot more awareness in general, not only around adult vaccination, but RSV in particular. And, you know, more players is definitely going to help us to drive this market. But most importantly for us, we're very confident in our candidate. We have 94% efficacy for the people that matter. That's particularly the more vulnerable, those that represent over 90% of the hospitalizations, those with comorbidities or the older cohort. We also, importantly, have co-administration data that means you can both safely, but protecting efficacy, have your flu and your RSV shot at the same time. And then very importantly, before the meetings in the summer with the regulators, we're also going to have 2-year data coming through. And this question of the durability of protection is something we think a lot of people are more thoughtful about as they've lived through COVID. And of course, we have a unique adjuvant technology in our candidate. So we're looking forward, hopefully, to be able to ship this important vaccine to Americans for the next winter season, and for this being a key contributor to our growth for the years ahead.